Huh? What the f? Sorry. Dad, regular periods.
Well, sex. Okay, so, sex is something adults do because they like it, okay? And to create babies, of course. So, is that an okay answer to your question? Dad, I do know what sex is all about. You do? Of course. After all, we're in 2022 and I have a phone. But I still don't know what sex means. So, you mean... Yes! The word sex comes from the old French sexe, or the Latin sexus, meaning gender. Thank you! Was that so hard? I didn't finish my homework. It's okay. We all make mistakes. Not me! I've never made a mistake in my entire life. As I was saying, we all make mistakes. Actually, killing him was my homework.
What?
I didn't make a mistake after all. Snowball fight!
Huh?
Dude, you're not even trying. Do I have to explain the rules again? We accidentally dropped another 1,000,000 gallons of oil into the ocean. That's bad, right? I think so. Damn. Well, there's only one thing we can do now. Say we're sorry? Nope. We asked the public to reduce their carbon footprint to offset this issue. Of course. My dog ate my homework, but it was a computer assignment. Earlier, Max, dinner time! There's nothing else. Welcome to hell! Pizza?
Wow.
Oops, I forgot to mention, it's hot enough to melt your mouth off. Dude, stop! Save me a slice for Christ's sake. Sorry. The ads say this bottle contains liquid happiness. Happiness gave you type 2 diabetes. Switching to diet happiness might help. I'm home! Oh, I missed you so much! I missed you too. Oh, Andrew, not another letter from school. I'm so tired of this. If you continue on this path, you'll... What? Huh? A whole day at school without any shenanigans? Yeah, that's a new one.
I've been thinking of going down to visit Earth, but I need a disguise as one of the weakest creatures to test my creation.
This is the police. Give your dog more treats or you'll be arrested. That'll show him. Oh God, I'm a fugitive now. Oh. Whoa, that backfired.
Doctor, the patient is hemorrhaging fast. How do you spell hemorrhaging? I have no clue. We're too late. The patient has died. Whew. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. The doors in the bus go open and shut. The driver of the bus robs a liquor store. Get out of my fucking head!